Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to link your EA account to Steam. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to store.steampowered.com. Go ahead and log in with your credentials to access your Steam account. This initial login is important because it establishes the connection between the two platforms. Now open a new tab in your browser and navigate to ea.com. Once the EA homepage loads, look up to the upper right corner of the screen where you'll see a profile icon. Click on it and from the menu that appears, select Sign In. This takes you to the EA login page where you'll connect your accounts. Here's where the linking process begins. In the top menu, you'll notice several login options available. Click on Steam to log in using your Steam account. This tells EA that you want to use your Steam credentials for authentication. Next, click the Sign In button to proceed. After that, you'll be prompted to grant permission for the connection. Click Allow to authorize EA to link with your Steam account. This permission step ensures secure communication between both platforms. The system will now send a verification code to confirm it's really you. Click Send Code and EA will immediately email you a security code. This is a crucial security measure that protects your account from unauthorized access. Open your email inbox and locate the verification code that EA just sent you. Copy this code, then switch back to the EA tab in your browser. Paste the code into the designated field and click Next to verify your identity and continue the linking process. Once verified, look again to the upper right corner and click on the profile icon. From the drop-down menu, select Account Settings. This opens up your account management area where you can configure various connection options. In your account settings, locate and click on the Steam icon. You'll need to go through the authentication process one more time to fully secure the link. Click Sign In to proceed with the final verification steps. Once again, click Allow when prompted to grant the necessary permissions. The system will ask you to verify your identity again, so click Send Code to receive another verification code via email. Head back to your email and copy the new verification code that EA has sent you. Return to the EA page, paste this code into the field provided, and click Next. This completes the verification and finalizes the linking process between your accounts. Finally, to confirm everything worked correctly, click on the upper right corner again and select Manage Linked Accounts. This section displays all your connected platforms, and you should now see Steam listed there, confirming that your EA account is successfully linked to Steam. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.